welcome back again to my channel. And in this video again, it's a part 3 of very basic Java concept. Very basic. It means that if you are from other branches apart from CSC, IT and all, so if you are not aware of programming things and stuff, then you can go through this video, because that will be definitely helping you out during your placement journey in order to get the basic concept clear. So basically in this video I will be going to talk regarding what are the Java condition and if statement. Actually I have created a two-part before, like part 1 and part 2. You can check out the playlist. You will be able to find the playlist description, playlist link in the description. Now it's about Java condition and if statement, what exactly it is in Java. So before starting the video, I would like to introduce myself. I'm an IT guy, and yes, I make videos regarding IT companies, college reviews, placement experience, technology experience, how to get a better placement out of the opportunity that you are having. Okay, I guide you on the basis of that. In fact, resume review, all the things I do, resume review, one-to-one connect, and lots more. So if you are interested in this video, let's come to my computer screen, and over there we'll be discussing regarding what are Java conditions and if statement. So as you know, whenever you are defining any of the programming language, आप किसी भी programming language को define कर रहे हो, that means that you need to be very much concise that what exactly you are doing over there. What I mean that whenever you know that programming, actually we write logics because it used to automate the things. Okay, it's used to automate the thing. Like suppose if you are writing a logic behind any of the system, it's like it is helpful in order to automate the thing. Just like it's a small part, and Java condition and if statement are something that is used to put up a logic, Java logic. I will be showing you with few of the examples. So let's start the video. As you already know that Java supports the usual logical condition from mathematics. Like if you might have seen earlier in my part 1 and part 2 of basic series, like less than a means it's like a less than sign is used to define that a is less than b. If you are less than or equal to, if a is less than or equal to b, if it's like a is greater than b, if it's like a is greater than equal to b, if it's like a equal to b, and not equal to a, not equal to b. So it's like basic logic that you know, mathematical operations that is supported in Java. So you can use basically in Java if you are performing a conditional statement. It's all about conditional statement in Java. It's like we use if to specify a block of code to be executed if specified condition is true. Just remember, if statement is executed when the condition made to be true. Just relate it like that. If I have a car, I would go to a trip. So it's like when a condition is executed when I have that thing, else I will not go. Just try to relate with the thing. मैं तभी खाऊंगा जब आप खाओगे. Okay, मैं if condition निकला रहा है जब मतलब if condition is like if you will eat then I will eat. Okay, so if condition is like if it's executed then the condition is true. So if suppose आप नहीं खाओगे तो मैं नहीं खाने वाला. आप अगर if I don't have a car, I will not go for a trip. So it's like if this condition will be only true if the conditions are met. I hope you get it. If you are not getting, put in the comment box. I will be reaching back to you. Okay. Next question is use else to specify a block of code to be executed if same number is false. Okay, same like else. If I will go on the trip if I have a car, else I will not go. Suppose if condition gets false. Okay, condition is false over here. Condition is not getting fulfilled. If it is false, then I will not go on a trip. So it's like if I'm talking about else statement, it's like that it's talking about the negative means a false execution. Okay, else if specify a new condition to test if first condition is false. See, there are multiple if I have a car, or else if I have a bike, then only I will be going for a trip. So if first condition is failing and second condition is we want to continue with the second condition, then we go by else if. Okay, it's like else if will be like first criteria is failing, but in second criteria it's getting fulfilled, then we use else if. Last you can see that use switch to specify many alternative block of code to be executed. So basically switch statement is used to execute multiple blocks of code. Okay, so as I told you that we are aware of all this thing. Okay, so you can go with the things, a link for the notes you can find the description box link. Okay, so the if statement, use the if statement like this. Whenever you are writing a syntax for if statement, it should be written in this form. Let me show you how you can move ahead with the if statement. if statement syntax, like if you are moving, like if statement की syntax लिखने में, suppose you get a interview question, like interview question may be like what is write a code to execute that if the number of people that are coming to an office is more than 5,000, then they need to arrange few more seats, else they don't want more seats to be applied or to be arranged. Okay, so how it will be, like you are writing, like you will be writing or defining the code, like if statement used to specify a block of code to be executed if the condition is true. So if the condition is like, if the number of chairs, if the people swipe, let's take an, we will be defining a variable swipe, that how many people are swiping each and every day. If swipe number is greater than 5,000, then the code that will be executed is like more seats needs to be arranged. Okay, so you can define it like if swipe count means take any variable over there, swipe count is greater than 5,000, means I am trying to understand that if more than 5,000 people are coming to an office, arrange more seats. Okay, you can put it like this. Okay, if swipe count, swipe I am counting the number of head count with swipe, it's a variable. Okay, if in the example, you can try this one. In the example below, we need to test the value of 20 is greater than 18. If condition is true, print some text. So it's like if 20 is greater than 18, system.out.print 20 is greater than 18. It's like when you are printing some true condition. If it's false, then it will be going in an else statement and it will be checking. Now example, explaining the example above, we use two variables x and y to test whether x is greater than y or not. Using the greater than operator, as x is 20 and y is 18, and we know that 20 is greater than 18, we print to the screen that x is greater than y. So that's the limit how you can arrange the data, like how x is greater than y, how you can plan for it. Example explained. Okay, so like I am giving you few of the question, like if the number of candidate count in colleges are more than 2,000, select means aptitude clear student count in colleges and more than 2,000, print that there will be also a GD round. How you are going to print that? There will be also a GD round for that. So you need to print that. If you can try in my comment box. Okay, you can try in my comment box. Okay, now come to the else statement. You may be aware of the else statement now, because from last 5 minutes I am talking about if condition is true, then it's fine. If condition is not true, then we have to move inside the else statement. Else statement will be like use the else statement to specify the code block to be executed with false. Okay, to be executed with false. Now if the condition is like if students are more than 2,000, we have to go for a GD round, else we'll be directly calling for an interview. You have to try. So I will be defining a variable before this a variable will be defined, like number student count. Student count will be check that student cleared written. We will be creating a variable like as cleared written greater than 5,000. Then the code block will be like prepare for a GD round, else direct interview call will be there. Okay, similarly you can see that if time is less than 18, print good day, else print good evening. You can move like this. Okay, now here is the else if statement. So else statement पता चल गया होगा, if statement पता चल गया होगा, else if statement कब काम आता है? else if statement के बारे में बात करते हो. So use else if statement only to specify a new condition if the first condition is false. Like 2000 अगर होगा तो GD लेंगे, 1000 होगा तो jam लेंगे. Suppose I am taking a condition like that. So if student select greater than 2000, we will go for GD. Else if it's greater than if greater than 3000, we will go for a jam round. Else we will be directly calling for an interview. Or here is an example, like let me show you. Use else if condition to statement to specify the condition, like if condition, you can go like this, else if conditions, else code block, you can write condition 1, condition 2. Suppose if first code is not executed, like if condition are not met, then it moves to second code block. When it is not move, consider over here, it move to third code block. So be ready with the things like how it actually move. So here is one example. You can see the time is equal to 22 is defined. It's a variable that is defined to time, that is 22. If time is less than 10, okay, then system.out.print is good morning. Else if time is less than 18, system.out.print is good day. Else system.out.print is good evening. So you have to move in 3 go, like condition like if else if and else. Okay, once you are defining this condition, definitely you have to move ahead with the things. Now there is another case, like let's take an example. 22 is greater than 10, so first condition is false, then the next condition is else if and is also false. Then we have to move in the else condition, and condition 1 and condition 2 both are false, good evening. However the time was 14, our program will print good day. So it's like else if statement is used to print the first and second condition, and if it's getting false, it moves towards third. Okay, so like there is another like you have to I am giving you a question like try to frame an else if statement. If like if your age is greater than 30, you are allowed for a trekking. If your age is above 20, you are allowed for a short trek. If your age is above 60, you are not allowed for a trek. Try to form a else if condition and put in my comment box. If you are interested, do it, and definitely this will be helping you out. If you want related interview type questions and more interview type question is else if statement, I will be preparing and sharing with you all guys. Just leave a comment with your mail ID. I will be definitely sharing some interview question with you all guys. And if you want to access this document, try to find a link in the description box. And yes, I will be carrying forward with very basic series of Java. If you're interested in this Java series, don't forget to subscribe and share it among your don't forget to subscribe the channel, look it. And if you need any personal assistant regarding interviews and all, what you can do, you can schedule a call with me. I can be guiding you on the basis of basic interview guide, how to get placed in IT companies and all, so that you can get little insight and you can make the best out of the various opportunities that are available for you. Let's keep the video till here. We'll meet you soon with a next video, next informative video and next Java tutorial. Tab tak ke liye take care and bye bye.